thirsty. He grinned as he stumbled through the bar. Well, he said, give me some more love, give me some love, give it all. His breath really said it all. His car was parked behind the back door. Tuxedo black, El Camino 1969. Well, he said, give me some more love, give me some love, give it all.
So the plan today is that we've been given this water tank. So it's actually for spraying weeds. But what I'm thinking is I can mount it on the tractor, connect it to the battery, and we can use that to go around and feed all the plants and pots, which will save a massive amount of time. As you can imagine here, you can be a whole day a week just going around feeding and watering. So hopefully that'll save us some time. I just got to work out how to connect it all, and hopefully it works. So there's a little pump here. These connect to a battery. I'm hoping somewhere on the back of the tractor I can link into the battery. Woo! That's our battery. So I found a power source quite abruptly. I'm guessing it's where you put like the flashing beacon on or something. So I'm just gonna connect them wires to that. Hopefully that all works. Okay, moment of truth. Ooh. Yes! Okay, so it's a bit rustic just for now, just to make sure it works.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer sea.
Well, it sort of worked. Needs a bit of faffing about with different hoses and stuff and some proper connections, but yeah, hopefully it'll save us some time. Next. Well, just doing a bit more on the irrigation system. Very nearly there. Need to get some more stuff, but there's a huge amount of stuff that's gone into this. So we've got one of these, one of these, one of these, one of these, and the piping for every single bed. There's like 36 different areas to go to, so that's a lot of fittings. So I just need to get some more pipe. It's like 80% there.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your...
A little bit of strimming to do. The strimming's been out of action for a while actually, so a bit of catch up, but don't take too long with this big strimmer.
Shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city.
Okay, two questions I keep getting asked in the vlog. One, how far away do I live from work from here, the chateau? 20-minute drive, all country roads. Two, will I do some drone footage for Stephanie to make a new opening scene? I've already done it, she's got it. I'm sure as soon as she finds time, she'll update it. Well, I don't know if you can see this, probably not. A massive swarm of bees has just arrived. And they're settling here. Which is not good. There's a couple of hives just down the road and I think probably they've moved from there, so I'm just going to get Natty, try and get hold of the beekeeper and see if he can take them away, because we don't want them there and I'm sure he don't want to lose them either. Okay. They've all settled in that tree now. There's a lot. Oh! Okay. Another week of work done. The weekend. I feel like we might actually do something this weekend. I don't know what. Even if it's just get out shopping or whatever, just feel like we're gonna do something. Home time, and not joking this time, definitely no going home B-roll. It's getting boring now, just, you know, a few times a week, same shots. Definitely no going home B-roll.
I'm thirsty. He grinned as he stumbled through the bar. Well, he said, give me some more love, give me some love, give it all. His breath really said it all. His car was parked behind the back door. Tuxedo black, El Camino 1969. Well, he said, give me some more love, give me some love, give it all.